Hi crafters, Amy here, and I'm super excited because I have the November release of A Colorful Life Designs to share with you today. So I'm just going to show you the stencils that I got. This is not the complete release. I do encourage you to go below my video, and in the video description box I'll link the full release so you can check out all the other stencils because there's way more than even what I got here in this shipment. So be sure to check out the rest, but I'm going to show you what I got and we'll go through that together. So when you order a shipment from A Colorful Life Designs, it will likely come in a bubble mailer like this, and then a manila folder inside, some of them with cellophane packaging and some without. The reason being is if it's just one layer and there's not a bunch of pieces parts, then Mary Kay at A Colorful Life Designs is trying to make a conscious effort to cut down on plastic waste that will likely end up in the landfill. So don't be surprised if a lot of your stencils come in the manila folder without that additional packaging. That is how it's intended. So to jump right in here, this first one, Pile of Presents. How fun is that? It is so cool. And again, I see rainbows when I see stuff like this. I don't know why, but look at the size of this. It will cover an entire A2 size card front. This is substantial. So you could, easily ink blend something like this, put it on a card base directly, and throw on a sentiment, and boom, Christmas card, done. But obviously you could use this for a birthday card. This would be very versatile in that way. It doesn't necessarily have to be Christmas. So very fun, 6x6 pile of presents. Okay. Next up, I have a 3x6 HoHoHo. It is called Showy HoHoHo. I'm sorry, Showy HoHoHo. Let me get this right here. But 3x6, and it's got this fun little detail. So it's kind of like a stencil sentiment. If you don't want to do some stamping, you could just throw this on there. Really fun. I love this detail. That'll be super cute. Oh, and then I have this other 3x6. It's called Outline Holly. I feel like these two would be really cute together. So I'll probably put these together on a card. Just my guess right off the bat. Okay. Then I have one in its own little envelope. And you'll see why, because it is actually a layered stencil. So there's more than one piece, so it gets a little cellophane envelope. But this is Layered Holly Wreath 1 and Layered Holly Wreath 2. So how fun is this? Look how gorgeous they line up together. So you could do the red holly berries and the green. You could probably change up the colors and make this fall if that's more your jam, or find other creative ways to use it. But I just love the idea of this. Again, because on an A2 size card, you can look at the size here, but it fits perfectly. And then you just have this nice open space for a sentiment. So lots of options there. Or you could put like a little, I don't know, Santa stamp or some sort of critter in the middle. Lots of options here on this layered holly wreath. Super fun. Okay, I'm going to set that aside. I can stop struggling here. Okay, this one, so cute. Candy canes. So easy. Just ink blend some red on there, or red and green. Super cute background. I'm very excited about this one. So candy canes. This one is funny. Merry whatever. So for some snarkiness, got this Merry whatever. It looks almost like a, I don't know, like a sweater print or something. Just nice and snarky. I think that's awesome. So here's some size perspective. Again, kind of takes up most of a card front for A2 size. So Merry whatever, 6x6. This one, super cute, is called Shimmering Star. So again, these little tiny holes, it's not going to be super imposing because there's not a whole lot of surface area, but how cool is that to create another little focal point, just to put a critter or a sentiment. Really fun. Okay, so it's Shimmering Star. This one reminds me of some of the other kind of snowflake-ish ones that she has in the shop, which I love. This is called Starlight. So this is cool star-shaped. Not really snowflake-ish, but it just kind of reminds me of some of the other snowflake ones she has in the shop. But Starlight 6x6. You guys know I'm going to be making some Christmas cards with this beauty. So I love this florally botanical leaf look. Very cool. Okay. Okay, this one is super fun. Very delicate, but it's cool that it covers the whole expanse of the 6x6. It's called All the Stars. So this would be really cool just for anytime use. You could use it for Christmas or year-round, starry background, any sort of card really. So this would be a very versatile one. All the Stars. And this one is, what do we got here? Snow Doily. Look at this detail. So this would be super pretty. Again, I could almost see this. This doesn't even have to be Christmas at all, or snowflake or anything. It's almost got, I don't know, it's really cool. I could totally see this for year-round use as well. So you could make this seasonal, or you could just make it as a pretty background with some bright colors, or even like a gray, just as kind of a subtle background where it might look like you use like a cover plate die or something, but it's really just a pale stenciling. That would be a fun way. I'll have to try that. We'll see if I remember. Doubt it. Okay, Scandinavian quilt. This one is so cool. So looks like a sweater or Scandinavian quilt. This is really fun. I'm really excited about this one. I love this style. So that one will be really fun to play with. Okay, got a lot, but this is not all, but I got a lot. This is Dotted Flakes. So this is fun. You could do, you know, use like a little fine detail blender and just do a different color for the dots and a different one for the snowflakes. Or this would be fun to use, you know, like a glitter gel medium and kind of put the paste through the stencil. So Dotted Flakes. This one, oh, this one is so cute. Christmas Tree Deer. Look at that. How cute is that? So I would probably do like all green and then have like the deer like, I don't know, red or a different pop of color. Just kind of isolate it, like mask that off. So cute. I love this. Christmas Tree Deer. Okay, this one, ooh, we got a 6x9. This is, get to the right side, Black Ice. How fun is that? So this, again, could be holiday or just anything. I mean, it's cool geometric. This would make, I don't know, like a cool shattered glass. You could do like a creepy Halloween card. You could do like just a masculine geometric card. All sorts of options with this one. This is really cool. And it's 6x9. So if you're into gel plates, this would be a really cool one to do with your gel press. And one more 6x9 here. This is called Wreath. So again, great with a gel press. These are so fun. See these, when I see stuff like this, I feel like, well, what can I put in the center here? Like a gem or like a little sentiment or multiple little sentiments. So I just think of different ways to use that. Or you could just kind of isolate one section. Lots of opportunities there, but this is a really cool one. Okay, and then my final one is another layered one, and this is probably one of my favorites, and I know my daughter is probably going to play with this one too. It is so cute. Layered Bird Trees. So look how cute this is. And then add little birdiekins on top of the trees. How cute is that? Do you see this? This is adorable. Love it. So you could do the birds on their own, just for a fun little whimsy background. You could do these trees, and these are totally not Christmas specific. I mean, you could easily use these year round. Just change up the colors and the theme. So fun. So that's what I got, guys. Like I said, it's not everything, so be sure to go to the shop and check out the rest. And I will create a playlist for all of my projects, and I will release them throughout the month. So check for that playlist in the video description box below as well, because that's where I'll put the videos when they're done. And then you'll see all my finished products with these adorable stenciled goodies. So thanks so much for watching, and I'll catch you next time. Bye.